Today we're going to look at this carrier furnace. This thing has been a thorn in my side for at least 2 years. It's had many different problems, but I just want to focus on one. It keeps showing a 33 code, which means the high limiter switch keeps shutting the furnace off. There's the limiter switch right there. It's rated for 190 degrees. It's been replaced at least twice. This furnace has got a new inducer motor, new fan capacitor. It's still short cycling, so I suspect a cracked heat exchanger, so I'm going to test that now. I got the manometer hooked up to the pressure switch line that comes out of the inducer motor. Let's wait for the fan to kick on. Okay, it's not really showing anything. The center one's definitely cracked. Here's the center one again. See the top of the flame dancing around, but not over here. Let's see if we can see it. All right, there it is. A crack in the heat exchanger. There's the second crack.